Golden light bathes the village fields as dawn breaks. Hamid, weathered and resolute, rises to greet the sun with morning prayers. With determined steps, Hamid walks towards his small plot, a solitary figure against the vast, awakening landscape. Villagers pass by, their laughter and comments carried on the breeze, hinting at the futility of Hamid's efforts. Hamid smiles gently, unfazed by their remarks, his spirit unbroken by the barren conditions of the land. He kneels, his hands caressing the soil with reverence, a silent promise of dedication and unwavering hope. Each movement is filled with care as Hamid begins to till the earth, his labor a testament to his enduring faith. Months later, a terrible drought ravages the village. Withered crops mark the parched land as farmers pack their carts. Despair etched deeply. Farmers prepare to abandon their homes, seeking refuge in the distant city. Hamid walks his barren field, each step heavy with sorrow, tracing the lifeless earth with trembling fingers. Hamid kneels, his head bowed in desperate prayer, a solitary figure amidst the desolation. Tears stream down his weathered face as he pleads for strength and rain to revive the dying land. Dark clouds gather as weeks pass. A torrential downpour drenches the village, soaking the fields and the waiting villagers. Hamid stands in the downpour, arms outstretched, his face uplifted, surrendering to the heavens. Golden light bathes Hamid's field, now a vibrant tapestry of lush crops, the best yield in the village. My success is the result of hard work and unwavering faith, Hamid declares, his voice ringing with conviction.